Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about Hyperlane after listing with my customer said the zone of interest with intention accumulation pump model. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, you have to go and double check the main information on CryptoRank or CoinMarketCap, whatever website you use. So market capitalization 37 million, FDV 211 million. So it's 6 times bigger the differences, right, between the FDV and the market capitalization. So the circulation supply only 17%. Next unlock will be in here June, I guess, on 25. Now the all-time high was 35 cents, all-time low 20 cents, and zone of interest I will show you now. So I highly recommend you go and check the vesting schedule. This one in next 2 months and 27 days will be next unlock. Plus, I highly recommend you go and check the fundraising round. So here, IDO round was in April, 2 days before Binance Wallet 3 cents. And there is no information about what price all these venture funds get their allocation, their tokens in zone 2022. So, right, let's double check the zone of interest, guys. I highly recommend you go and do your own research. Just information, take some note about the Hyperlane Tokenomics, vesting schedule, fundraising round. That's it. Don't be trapped with all of this fancy stuff about fundamental what this project about. Nobody care what this project about because you can love it, you can hate it, but we trade the financial assets, risky financial assets, with not here for the attach. So here, this is zone of interest for Hyperlane. So this is going to be the first zone of interest. This is going to be the next and the best zone to buy. And I highly recommend you go and check how to work with intention accumulation pump model. So the time for swing trade distribution gonna be here. So this one is going to be the zone of distribution. This one, and this is a zone of interest. On the Binance, it's much closer, right? Because on BitGet, it's all the time the lowest point of the listing. So it's listing was 0.205. How to work with that model, highly recommend it. Go and check free educational video. So I will not repeat the explanation how to work with the model, in every single video, but you will understand the logic. And no strategy which you get 100% win rate, right? But this one is a pretty good one. So invalidation of this idea if the token dump on the listing price. So IDO round was 3 cents. So it's more than real to see the test even of 86 level by fee, 4 cents, 22. Time to fix a profit, 100%. Pump, you withdraw initial deposits. So we build a strategy. We not gamble randomly with the proper money management, proper risk management. If we will dump to the lowest point of this level, is going to be the 700% profit at the zone of fixation. Can we see something like this one? Of course we can, guys. We can see even like this one. So guys, everything possible, but we build a plan. If on a chart, plan E, we do this. If plan B, we do this. If plan C, we do this. We understand the logic. What are we doing at this level, at this level, this level, this level, or even now? So you build a plan. So this is my plan. So maybe here, I will start buying for speculation on a spot, or with the perps second, third leverage, with the proper money management. So let's take a look, guys, with my customer sab, what's going on now with this token after listing. This is still a free 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame. We lay down at the bottom. So yes, locally we can see the price movement, even like this one, for example, with some bounces, build the order flow. And yes, it can be the bounce like almost 50%. So it's more than real to see. This is still a free. We are in the middle, no accumulation, no distribution, nothing. Take a look with this one. Trade on. Here was a signal to buy on 1-hour time frame, 15-minute time frame here. Buy, recommendation, close position. But guys, it's for intraday. For intraday inside a day. So here was sell, drop, buy back. So it depends of what time frame are you trade. I skip this token now. My zone of interest, I showed you, it's 1380, 1066, 619, 422. All other zones, absolutely zero interest. 12, 15 minutes time frame. 30-minute time frame here. 30-minute time frame. The buy line for this token, it's 38 level by FIP 1694. Fundamental of this token is 1266. Take profit. Zone of fixation is 33.45. Exit line, new all-time high 37.91. 15-minute time frame. You can see the lines go down. Curve down to like 1563. Buy line. Fundamental value 1161. Take profit 30.83. So yes, it can be this price movement, right, and going higher, or like let's say like this one and going higher. Invalidation, you know, it's a drop on the listing price, so it's more than real to see, guys. Two last indicators. The last one, it's money power. Money power here, it was money inflow, and we bounce a little bit. 15-minute time frame, of course, it's a local, like a, not even a swing trades, it's a local speculation. So here's a money outflow, drop. So you could track it, dump like 15%. Here we got a money inflow, bum, like 6%. But of course, it's a 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame. Here's a 2 RSI bullish that we're gonna see. Yes, of course, we can bounce. But guys, be careful. The zone of interest I showed you and everything explained it. If you would like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe, change his like button, notification, but don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.